Yesterday, a child came out to wonder.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Victoria. My name is Megan. I'm a pro hair makeup artist, and today, honestly, there's no intro to this look. This is like a basic 5-minute face for summer. So yes, this look is boring. There's no concept. It's not really considered art, but let's be real. There are times where we would like to have our makeup done in 5 minutes and look cute. So I just wanted to make sure all our features were emphasized, they were amped up. But other than that, this is a super natural, simple, glowy makeup look, perfect for summer. So if you'd like to see how I get this look, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna start off with some Flawless Filter, number 3, no surprise there. Gonna just MAC that on the face, and then I'm also gonna take my Reboot foundation, just one little pump of that. Gonna grab my little foundation brush and I'm going to dot this on the skin. Obviously I don't want a super foundation-y look, so I'm just really kind of scrubbing this in, just lightly trying to even out the skin tone, nothing too intense. For looks like this, I always find it really helpful to sit back from your mirror because you don't want to get caught up in making everything so perfect. Like, it's just not realistic. Sometimes when I do, like, you know, looks for camera, it is for camera. It is so you at home see it and it looks nice. But if I'm just doing my makeup to do my makeup, like for my everyday or whatever, I'm literally just slapping it on. Like, I don't really care. So you can see we still have some cheek redness peeking through. There's like lots of, you know, things that are popping through, but our skin is just an overall even tone, which is what we're going for. Next, I'm gonna go into my Salmon Concealer. I'm just gonna grab that on a little brush and just pop that right under the eyes. This is where I will take a little bit more time because for me, this is like the most important part of my makeup. Like, I need some bright under eyes. So I definitely get the inner corner, and then I also get the outer corner, and then very simply we'll take our sponge and just smack that around. All right, so then we'll go into our little Makeup Forever concealer. I'm just gonna pop that right underneath the eyes and maybe drag it out a little bit, and then just wherever I want a little bit more coverage. I like to usually go around the sides of my nose. Other than that, if I have any random little friends who are not following quarantine protocol, I will pop it on there. And then again, I'm just gonna grab my sponge and just sponge it all together. Around the nose, then underneath the eyes. With any leftover concealer, just pop it on your eyelids just to even out the discoloration. But now our skin has been perfect. Oh God, no, we freaking forgot that. That's cool. Hilarious. All right, the skin looks really beautiful. It looks nice and youthful. You still have a little bit of redness peeking through here and there. It doesn't look like perfect, but that's not what we're going for. We want a nice natural look. So I want to add a little bronziness because you guys know me. So I'm gonna grab my Bare Minerals little foundation-y stick. Just gonna pop that like so, and then to make this look even more natural and just to keep it nice, quick, and easy, I'm gonna grab that same foundation brush and just work that into skin. All right, now you got a little bit of bronze going on, which is perfect. For blush, depends on what blush you like. I love this is actually like a lip balm, but it's so freaking cute and it's such a good color. So I'm just gonna pop that on my cheeks and right across the nose as well. Just gives a nice flushed look. And the same foundation brush, I'm just gonna use that to press and pat that in. And this blush is also like more of a gel formula, so it's gonna give you that like nice little glow from within. Okay, so at this point our concealer is self-setting and everything else is just gel based, so you don't really have to set anything. So if you don't need powder, you don't want heavy or excess powder on your face, you don't have to use it, you're good. I always like a little extra bronzing, so I'm just gonna go into my bronzer and I'm just gonna work that on the perimeter of my face. This is just more my preference and my choice. And then one of the blushes I've really been into, again, you don't need to add any more blush if you don't want to, but this one's really pretty. It's like a bronzy blush. So this is Blurred Buff from Bare Minerals, and you can just pop this on. Honestly, you could skip the other cream blush if you were using this, but I didn't really think about it until now. But it's just really, really pretty, and you can just toss it on the nose, and it's just the perfect combo of like blush and bronzer all at the same time, and then honestly you can just like sweep it into the forehead because the tone is so similar, but you just get that really like sun-kissed look, which is gorgeous. I'm gonna use highlighter because it's me, so I'm just going to grab the Champagne Pop shade. I'm gonna grab it on a little fan brush just so it's a nice light application, and just dust that right on top of the cheeks and then in the center on the nose bridge, tip of the nose, and Cupid's bow, just so we get a little bit of a highlighted glow. Okay, so that is the face. I'm just gonna set with some setting spray. For eyes, I already feel like you guys know what I'm gonna say, but I'm just gonna grab a little bit of my bronzer and I'm just going to work that on the lid and in the crease, just nice and simply. Give my eyes a little bit of warmth and glow. Like literally smack it on like that. And then if you want a little bit more shimmer, I'm just gonna grab the Champagne Pop shade from my little highlighter, so whatever highlighter you end up using, and just pop that right on top. So now it's gonna change our bronze eyeshadow into a bronze shimmer eyeshadow, which just reflects the light and gives us nice glowy summer springy vibes. Then again, keeping it nice and simple, I'm just going to grab my little bronzer shade and just run that on the lower lash line. If you want to do liner, go right ahead, but I'm just going to finish off my brows, curl, and apply mascara, and then we'll move on to the lips. All right, so we're back. Brows are on, super simple. Lashes, you know, that whole thing. So for lips, honestly, guys, you can do whatever the hell you want. As always, you can do whatever the hell you want, but I'm going to keep it really basic today, just with a tinted lip balm. I love tinted lip balms. I think they're just so underrated. So this one is from Nars. This one is in Fast Lane. It's like just got a little bit of a purple hint, so it really just picks up like the undertone and like kind of the blood flow in your lips, which I just love, while kind of still staying pink. As well, I live for some gloss, so I'm just gonna top it up with this Pixie gloss that I love, just for that like summer juiciness. And if you do feel you want a little bit more coverage, then a pressed powder is a great option right now. You can just go over in the little spots that you feel like you need a little bit more, pretty much just the center of the face. And you know, as always, you can always add more bronzer because that's what we do over here. But other than that, this is our final look. Super simple, bronze, and cute. All right, guys, so there we have it. I told you it's so basic. It's like so basic, but it's cute. She's fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.